Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to use Google Ads' Key Planner, specifically how to use it for SEO. So now we are going to head over to our keyword planner. So from here, from the main interface, you want to go to Tools and then toggle on Planning, then go to Keyword Planner. From there, you'll find these two items: discover new keywords and get search volume and forecasts. So, discover new keywords. This is very helpful if you want to um, discover words that could be affiliated with your business. So, for example, if your word is food delivery, you can try if meal works or if food works. So, it's like that. So it gets you, or it gives you suggestions that gives you words or a suggestion of words that are related to your product or services. Now, with regards to discover new keywords, there are actually two options to do this. You can start with keywords or you can start with a website. So for example, if you search for a website, just copy the URL. Let's say you're in the toy business, right? You're selling toys. Go to a figurine shop. Just open up whatever figurine shop is your competitor. So let's say this one, Aniporium. Apologies for that. Just click on this copy and then paste it here. And then you have two choices here. So you can use the entire site or you can use only this main web page. And then from here, keywords will start to appear. And that would be the source of keywords that you can use for your business. On the other hand, if you start with keywords, you can definitely check if words, for example, figurine or toys, would work as well uh, for your account or for your domain or website. And then next, we have here get search volume and forecast. So for here, you will paste your keywords or the words that are located in your website. So let's say this is our website, right? Aniporium. And then we have here figure. Automatically, you can type in here new arrival figure March 125 and then paste that here. And then what this will do is you will be able to see monthly searches, determine the cost in terms of ad for searches for a keyword, and then you can also organize your keywords, and at the same time you can create new campaigns. And that's it. Usually it appears here on the bottom. So you have your forecast period and you also have the status on how those keywords work. Now, if you're having trouble with Google Ads, there's one application that I can also suggest. It's Ahrefs. So go to ahrefs.com, ahrefs.com. And from here, let's say we want to search keywords. So you actually have here country. So let's go to the Philippines. And then here, let's type in figurines. Just verify this. And now it's checking keyword difficulty for you. And as you can see here, it gives you already an idea, a brief estimated idea of how keywords work for websites, if it does work or if it doesn't work. So here we have here medium searches 18. So yeah, definitely if you're not familiar with um, Google Ads, you can definitely use third-party applications like RFs. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.